Good morning guys. Tinatapos ko lang yung aking last na bag. Ayan. So ito yung aking magiging hand carry. Ayan. Tapos ito yung dalawang bag. Ayan siya. And then yung third bag. Ayan. Yeah, so ito na guys yung aking final bag. Bag number 4.
Hungry for the road all my life, thirsty for adventure all my youth, chasing all my freedoms down Liberty Avenue. And every time I hear a phrase my mother used to say to me.
And guys, tapos na yung aking 4 na bagahe. So ngayon, aayusin ko naman ang aking hand carry.
A little taste of home, home, home. Just a little taste of home. I need a little taste.
So yan guys, ihatid ko na si Hanna sa kanyang ballet school. Yeah, today is last day na niya sa pagbabalay. Hindi siya makaka-attend sa kanyang recital kasi uwi na kami. Yan. Uh-oh. Come here to mama. Come here. Your backpack. Oh.
No, I don't have a thing.
Do you have water bottle?
Yeah, I need to go find it.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, good night.
Asan na?
Jewelry.
Yeah, we dropped by there in a jewelry repair shop. They also make customized jewelry. So the other day, my husband and I, we dropped by there and we're looking for like something to give to Nanay. We were thinking about the turquoise, the stones that's like made in Arizona. Marami ako nakikitang ganyan sa mga Indian reservation. Pag nagpunta ka sa Grand Canyon, yan, meron sila doon mga tinitinda. So, we asked him, the guy, he's very nice. We asked him if he could make us a ring, turquoise on it. So, yeah guys, he really did a good job. Yeah, the ring is so beautiful. Yeah, I hope Nanay will like it. So I'll show it to you later when we get home. And right now, it's almost 4 o'clock, so I need to bring Hanna to school. So let's go.
I'm calling to tell you that I'm coming home.
Dito na kami guys. Naghintay lang kami ng time. Medyo maaga pa. Lalagay ko to kasi mainit. Ngayon, it's 97 degrees. Actually, yung 97 degree, hindi na yan masyadong mainit dito. Kasi last week, nasa 107 na kami. Mama, need to wipe your face too. Bernak, Mama! You need to sit down.
They like,
Come here. Come here. Mas si Hanna. Mas ingon nga bata.
I would say,
It's hot in there.
this was sex. Now I guess
Oh, na, may mag-repeat.
told me.
Put it back, please. Thank you.
Okay.
Mama gonna lock the car. Let's go. Hold Mama's hand. We're done, guys. We're going home now. Dito lang kami sa bahay, guys. Magluluto lang ako ng dinner real quick. Kasi almost 6 o'clock na. Then, magluluto ako ng salmon. And then magro-roast ako ng potatoes. Yan. Hindi na ako mag-full video ng pagluluto kasi nagmamadali na ako, guys. Yan. Yung aking potatoes medyo tumutubo na. Ayan, tumutubo na siya. Tatanggalin ko lang yung mga new sprouts. Alright, guys. Yeah, that's it. Yan yung kasama ng ating salmon. Ayan. Sauteed bok choy. And then yung ating salmon at saka potatoes. Ayan. And then yung rice natin, okay na rin. Okay na rin. I'm done with this. Thank you.
Put your toys away.
I'm done with that.
Okay, Mala.
And then we have rice already. So, yan.
Thank you, baby.
Yan. So, hinihintay ko lang maluto yung aming ulam. Kakain na kami ng dinner. So, yan. So, ipapakita ko lang pala ito. Nga pala, guys. Dumating na yung passport ng mga bata. Ayan. So, yung laman niya, yan, passport lang. Oo. Yan lang yung laman niya. Yung mga papers, follow up na yun. So, ayan na, okay na siya. Ayan. So, I'm glad na dumating na. So, ito pala yung ring na pinagawa namin nung nakaraan ni Mister. Ayan. So, ito siya, guys. Yung turquoise. Ayan. Ang ganda niya. Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa. Ang galing ni Manong gumawa. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan. So, ang ganda niya. Itatry ko, ha. Tinaray. Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. If you were living around here in Yuma, yan, I think they're really good making jewelry in there. So the guy is really nice too. The owner, he's the owner. Yeah. So if you're living around Yuma, I'll leave the link in the description box of the jewelry shop. Yan, guys, so yan lang yung video natin today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye bye.